Said I wouldn't go, but I went anyway. I don't even know why, I just changed. I ended up going, didn't think it through. It turned out later, I didn't need to. Choo-choo. I was fine at home, didn't plan the night. Phone in my hand, didn't feel right. You said don't worry, I said okay. But something about it didn't sit that way. I told myself no, just leave it alone. But I kept thinking, maybe I'm wrong. Keys in my hand, I didn't slow down. Next thing I knew, I was halfway across town. Sometimes you don't choose, sometimes you just move. And later you wonder why you followed through. Tell the truth, I ended up going, even though I said I wouldn't. I ended up calling, even when I knew. It turned out later, nothing changed at all. It turned out later, I didn't need to. You said we'll see, I thought that meant stay. You said it's nothing, but it didn't feel that way. I didn't ask, I just went along. Sometimes you feel it before you know it's wrong. I ended up saying things I didn't plan, didn't come out right, but you understand. Didn't mean to push it, didn't mean to stay, but somehow I got there anyway. Sometimes the moment moves faster than you. You don't really decide, you just follow it through. Choo-choo. I ended up going, didn't mean to choose. I ended up trying, even when I knew. It turned out later, there was nothing there. It turned out different from what I thought was true. Choo-choo. I ended up going, that's what I did. It turned out later, that's what it meant. One is the action, one is the truth. Same situation, different view. I ended up going, even though I said I wouldn't. I ended up calling, even when I knew. It turned out later, I didn't need to. It turned out later, nothing changed at all. Choo-choo. I ended up going.